There are not many parks that are wedged between two freeways, a heavy rail and a light rail.
East Portland has been park deficient since we were annexed to the city in the 1980s, 1990s. We don't have a lot of natural areas left to be acquired. They had been looking for a place where they could do mountain biking. They had approached ODOT on using this property sometime in the past. They asked again shortly after we talked with ODOT, and ODOT said, go work with them. That was in 2005.
Gateway Green is primarily for off-road cycling, but also other activities like walking, jogging, but also this incredible piece of patch habitat for all the critters in Northeast Portland. As Portland's founders continue to occupy indigenous lands in the area, they laid down railroad tracks along the east slope of Rocky Butte. Eventually, they built freeways along the tracks and created 25 inaccessible acres between them. Interestingly, Gateway Green is built right on top of the former site of Rocky Butte Jail. In 2006, 5 Portland State University graduate students studied the site to see what challenges were ahead. And in 2009, the governor selected the project for inclusion in the Oregon Solutions Program.
At least twice during the process, we got stuck. One agency couldn't do something until the other one did this other thing. And so we went to Oregon Solutions, they brought them together and said, okay, how can we all move forward simultaneously?
We chose to do the project largely through citizen advocacy, advocating for the project, but also we had a gap in our system from lack of off-road cycling features. The community groups that were important to the creation of Gateway Green starts with Friends of Gateway Green.
The role of Friends of Gateway Green initially was to show that there was interest in having a park in that area and to raise some money, at least enough money to get the process started.
GreenWorks as landscape architects, our role in the project was to take the community's vision and put it onto paper, using our technical skills to solve some really hard problems. We had a big role in community engagement and listening to the community and participating in a really large active stakeholder group.
Northwest Trail Lines also contributed some funding to fill the gap so we could build the asphalt pump track, which is a very popular feature. They've provided a tremendous amount of stewardship, and moving forward, they'll be one of the stewards of maintaining the features out here.
There was some speculation it would be used mostly by big boys with expensive toys. There have been a lot of families use it, a lot more than people realized.